She's jamming. Ricky Norwood has always tried to have a sunny disposition, and Bob Marley has been a constant companion. Alongside Annette, he's brought warmth and energy to dancing on ice. And the two of them try to stir it up with the forward gazelles. And for the throw loop jump, he had to get up and she had to stand up. Well, he doesn't want to be part of the exodus, so let's not keep him waiting in vain for some judge love. Johnny?
7.5.
What? Get out of town.
OT?
That's amazing.
7.5.
That's amazing.
He's happy. Jane?
7.5.
Take it. Thank you.
And Chris?
7.5.
Thank you very much.
It's the highest score for them this series. It's 30 out of 40.
Thank you. That's amazing.
Sam, I was just saying, this is a tough audience in here tonight for the judges, but you're happy with those scores?
That's the best score I got so far.
Yeah.
And we went out from last week. That's amazing, honestly.
Well done, you.